Hey guys, how's it going? How to integrate Google Workspace on Bluehost. So first of all, go ahead to the official website and view plans and make sure that you use the best plan. And if you want to get the best best plan possible, visit the link in the description box to get the best plan for your new journey. So first of all, if you want to purchase or integrate Google Workspace on Bluehost, first of all, click Marketplace on the left-hand menu after you log in, of course, right? And then scroll down to locate Google Workspace, and then click Claim Offer, and then select the Google Workspace package that fits your business need, okay? And then set the number for users, and then click continue button 1, 2, 3, 4, or 10. And ensure you select the correct domain for your Google Workspace. Choose I want to use domain name I already own, or search and register a new domain, right? And click search for domain if you want to, right? And then complete the payment transaction, okay? And if you want to set up a Google Workspace, the setup process may vary depending on the domain you use for Google Workspace, right? First of all, after purchase, your account manager will show an alert banner, right? And then if you have multiple Google Workspace plans in your account, locate the domain. You just need to sign up for the Google Workspace and then click its setup button. And then a pop-up window will appear notifying you that you're about to set up your domain with Google Workspace, and then click get started, right? Enter the primary email, first name and last name, and then organization name, which is optional. Click continue. In the pop-up, enter the recovery email address, and then click the setup option. And then another pop-up window will appear promoting you to reconfigure your DNS records for Google Workspace. Just check the box that says yes, I want to reconfigure my DNS for Google Workspace, right? And then click update DNS, and please note that you will lose access to the existing email service when you do this step. If you select skip for now, you can still update your DNS later by clicking the update DNS button in the overview section of the workspace, right? And then a notification will appear indicating that the domain's DNS is configured for Google Workspace. Please allow time for your DNS to fully propagate, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.